Frustrated because Capcut says no internet even though you're clearly online? I'm going to show you a super quick fix using a VPN. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to download a VPN app from your app store. There are tons of free and paid options, so pick one that suits your needs and has good reviews. Next, open the VPN app and connect to a server. Usually, it's as simple as tapping a big connect button or selecting a location on a map. Now, completely close the Capcut app. This means swiping it away from your recent apps list, not just minimizing it. This is important to refresh the connection. Reopen Capcut. The VPN should now be providing a stable connection, allowing Capcut to access its online features without that annoying no internet message. That's it. Your videos should now export without any issues. This VPN trick is a quick and easy way to bypass location-based restriction or connectivity issues that may cause Capcut to think you have no internet.